his name is Grayson. He is friendly, so if you'd like to pet him, you just pat his head from here to here. Just like that. Thank you.
I might just get another bird just so I can make my parents mad because they'll hear it in the morning all day.
He's on TikTok.
He is?
He is.
What would be the name on TikTok?
It's Queen Anne's Animals. You ready? Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
So this is Grayson.
Hello, Grayson.
Mhm.
Hi, Grayson. My sister-in-law used to have a bird just like him.
Yeah, he's a
So
good boy.
cool. Oh my gosh.
He's like ready to come in now.
I was gonna ask you a quick question on the keypad and you have like Oh
Um,
my gosh. Hi, buddy. Did you need a stroke?
no thank you.
Oh, cool. How long have you had him?
Almost 2 years now.
Oh my gosh.
So,
He's so cute.
we go through drive-thrus and we put him on TikTok.
Oh. Do you like socializing then?
Yes, so our next stop is Bass Pro and we'll just hang out at Bass Pro and let people meet him.
That's awesome. I love that for y'all.
Yeah. You ready?
Okay. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
Bye, Grayson.
Bye.